How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing the first cosmetic modification to my E92, you can't even see it, I always do that, my E92 BMW 320d. So it's going to be a really simple install. It's going to be the M4 style double slat kidney grills for the top two set of grills. I was actually pretty surprised when I found out these were only £35 on eBay, which is mental. Really good condition as well. Good quality, produce well. I'll make sure to put a link in the description to this product like I always do with anything I put onto my cars. And yeah, let's get fitting it. So as you can see, the standard OEM grills on the E92, in my case, have got chrome surrounds on them. So the gloss black is going to look just much nicer on the car. So the clip placement is identical to the aftermarket ones I'm about to fit. So you've got two at the bottom, one on the side and three on the top. So once you've got the bonnet in the air, take your foam weather strip, peel that off as easy as that, and you're going to undo these Torx screws here. I'll get the size for you now. So the size you're going to want is a Torx T30. So as you can see now, I've removed those 4 screws. There's a lot of play in the bumper, so I can actually get my hand right behind where I need to be. It was a little bit more fiddly than I thought, to be honest, but finally got the driver's side one out. There's the difference. You can see this is just much more modern and more aggressive. Obviously from the M4 it's going to be a bit more aggressive looking. And that gloss black finish is much better than this kind of satin black that's on the originals. Anyway, let's get this back in. Should be as simple as just popping it back in. Now I know the car's filthy, but that looks bloody mint. That looks so much better. Right, we'll repeat the last process now. Same again for the second one, but I'll time lapse this. Lastly guys, stick the last 4 Torx screws back in and you're finished. I almost forgot, don't forget your weather bar again. Whatever the hell it's called. It's getting freezing out there now, until it's done in winter again. But anyway guys, as you can see, that is how easy it is to install the E92 M4 style upper grills. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Hope this was helpful. Got a lot more little modifications that I've got planned for this car. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to do any performance upgrades yet, but I've got a big list of cosmetics. So I hope you did enjoy the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next week. Peace.